You know, I'm starting to feel bad a little bit because I've kind of been neglecting my little Boom Vader here. Not necessarily from a riding standpoint, because this is my new favorite way to get to work. Just mainly because there's still stuff I want to do to it. You know, there's still parts I want to install on this thing. And now that the Honda Shadow Chopper 2.0 project is just about done, with the exception of paint, I'm gonna talk about that in another video, we can finally shift focus back to this little guy right now. And if you're not familiar with this bike, this is my 2025 Boom Vader BD125-10. It is a clone of a Gen 2 Honda Grom. It came with a 125cc engine in it. I got a 212 4-valve head in it right now, and this thing, this little bugger rips. I do need to get better at engine braking this thing, though, because I worry about this little Chinese engine. It's been doing pretty good. It's been pretty reliable, but I don't want to accidentally send this piston back to Shanghai via airmail, if you get what I'm meaning. Or what I'm saying, if you know what I'm meaning. There we go. But going to this 212, it took us from about estimated 6 horsepower to estimated, I don't know, low 20s. And it is noticeable. If you're thinking about doing the swap, I highly suggest doing it. You're going to love your bike even more than what you did before. But there's still a handful of little items I want to do to this thing. Like, we definitely want to get an oil cooler on this, because, you know, this little horizontal engine here, she is air-cooled. And anything we can do to keep it cooler and make it last longer is ideal. I still need to do the third motor mount on this thing. I bought one way back for the 125 engine, never installed it, so hopefully that'll work. But then after that, I think I'm kind of done with it. Like, after that, I think I'm just going to ride it and enjoy it. Well, other than maybe like a handlebar swap, but other than that, that's kind of it. That's all we need to do. And then when we're done with this, and the Honda Shadow Chopper project's done, there's nothing else I need to do to the mean streak, so what do I do? I'm not gonna have a project, which kind of stinks. Which I'm not a huge fan of working on things anyway, but still, I don't mind tinkering every now and again. And here lately I've been thinking about, what do I do next? Because of course, as you guys, I'm sure you're aware, at least if you follow the Honda Shadow videos, we are affiliated with TJ Brutal Customs out there in California way. They make custom Honda Shadow parts, mainly, you know, like choppers, bobbers, things like that. And since the 750 I got is done, I'm almost kind of tempted to pick up a, what is it, a VT600 or the VLX 600, you know, the 600 Shadow, and maybe put another chopper together. I think that'd be really fun, because we could use mostly TJ Brutal parts, which it might be kind of neat to showcase some of those. And of course, it'd be neat to put another bike together and have another experience. You know, we're experiencing another machine. But then I'm not sure what I would do with that bike, you know, because I already have the 750 chopper, and I got way too much into that, dude. Can't sell that bike, ever. Owes me too much money. We definitely don't want to get rid of the Boom Vader here, especially not now. Because honestly, I didn't put the engine in it too long ago. We haven't fully enjoyed it yet. And it comes as no surprise to you guys, I'm sure. This bike does numbers on the channel. It has a pretty good fan base, you know? There's a lot of people that like the Boom Vader. So I'm not really ready to replace this thing yet. I'm not saying I haven't thought about it sometimes. That's more of a casual thinking about it. Be cool to get like a Ninja 650 or or something similar, you know, to like that old Katana 600 I used to have. That was a sweet bike too, man. Kind of miss that thing. And we would probably definitely have to replace this if we were to go that route. Just because something sporty would fill the role of this guy, you know, something not necessarily fast, but this is quick, it's super agile, which is kind of why I want to keep it. You know, having a fuel-efficient, tiny, maneuverable motorcycle probably isn't a bad thing to have. And of course, having, you know, as many motorcycles as you can is always a good thing, but I just don't have room for a fourth. I mean, there's just physically not any room, not to mention, you know, taxes and registration and insurance for a fourth bike. Seems kind of unnecessary. At least in a long term. So like if I did do like a 600 chopper, I do have an idea of what I would want to do to it. Or with it. We'll definitely to it, you know, definitely chop it out, bob it out, use as many TJ Brutal parts as we possibly can, maybe source some from elsewhere. And then I think it'd be really cool, and this is 100% speculation, is just something I've been thinking about. I'd want to do something really cool with the bike if I didn't keep it, which I probably wouldn't keep it. Because as weird as this is going to be to say, I don't necessarily need 2 choppers. At least not 2 of them that are similar size and similar displacement, similar power to weight ratio. Because being honest, in part I would want to build it because I think it'd be fun, but also I would kind of want to do it for the channel and because of the affiliation with DJ Brutal. I think it'd be neat to kind of show you guys like more of an in-depth look of some of the parts, you know, because you see them on the website, you see a couple videos here and there, but I don't know, maybe I can go a little more in-depth with it and give you like a general tinkerers. I'm not going to say mechanic because I'm not a mechanic. Just like your average guy working on something, kind of what you can expect to run into some of them bits and pieces. But as far as doing something with the bike, I think it'd be kind of neat to like, I don't know, what if we put it together and then we like either gave it away or donated it or something, you know? And if we did do that, how would we do it, you know? If only there was a charity out there that was known, well, let's just say sometimes they auction off motorcycles to raise money. I think that'd be pretty cool. And that particular charity I'm thinking of, I know all the proceeds would go strictly to that charity. And there also might be 1 or 2, you know, let's just say larger YouTube names in the motovlog / motorcycle space that'd be kind of cool to link up with, you know? And of course, that's all speculation because I got to sit down and I got to figure out what the numbers would look like on that. Because while I do get a little bit of a discount buying stuff from TJ Brutal on most items, I'm still financing and funding this whole thing myself, okay? And I do all right, but I ain't exactly rich. That's why I'm on a $1,400 Chinese motorcycle, man. Oil cooler, we're gonna spin the carb, do a little tail tidy or something on this thing, maybe some bars, and have a good old time ripping on this thing. Because to be perfectly honest, it's fine the way it is, too, you know? You can buy these things stock and have a good old freaking time on them. And if you want to see what my first impressions were on this bike, you can check that video out right here. And as always, y'all be good. See ya.